And here's that viewer photo I was working on just before the commercial break here. Just got this into our website, valleynewslive.com. 3.75 inches fell in 45 minutes. This is from the Strathcona, Minnesota area. Jeremy shared this one with us and kind of shows you how things were looking out there when that 3 3/4 inches rain fell in 45 minutes. Jeremy says 4.75 inches was the total storm total from in the Strathcona area. So again, some much needed rainfall, but of course some angry skies that we saw there. This one from the Buffalo, North Dakota area. Logan shared this one with us of what looks like a wall cloud and perhaps a funnel cloud, perhaps there in the center of that cloud. So definitely a great shot there. And this one also from the Arthur and Hunter area. This one was a tornado warned storm. Jenna shared this one with us also to our website, valleynewslive.com. Again, we appreciate everybody for sharing your photos, and I want to correct you, that was 4.25 inches there in the Strathcona area. 4.25 was that storm total. And this one I showed you also west of Hillsboro. Mary, a beautiful photo of that shelf cloud there, and there's that heavy rainfall that everyone was very excited to see with the storms that rolled through today. So there's the low pressure system. You can see it still spinning across the Devil's Lake Basin, but things are quiet for us between the center of that low pressure and that line of storms that we have out toward the east of our viewing area. I want to loop this from earlier today. You can see right here those storms fired right south of 94, and then tornado warnings mainly between I-94 and I-29 in that kind of corner of southeastern North Dakota to get a few severe thunderstorm warnings across Minnesota today, but most of that tornadic activity was across North Dakota, and the reports do back that up. We had a report of a funnel cloud there near the Laverne area, and the report that actually prompted those tornado warnings to begin in the first place was down near Enderlin, a funnel cloud reported there. And then also near the Erie area in Cass County, there was reports of a funnel cloud reaching all the way to the ground, and that became a tornado then at that point. So there's where you saw some of the most intense reports for today from the most intense weather we saw from this afternoon. Temperatures have really cooled off. 68 Fargo, 65 in Grand Forks. Seeing those 50s already in Langdon and in Minot, and seeing the dew points also coming down as well. Dew points 55 in Jamestown, 59 in Langdon. So that's definitely a much more comfortable air mass already starting to be felt here as that northwest wind does start to filter in some drier air. High wind warning for the Devil's Lake Basin continues until 1 a.m. Still could see some gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour as that low pressure system makes its way in, but by and large it's a very small area, and it looks like those winds should be calming down as we continue through the next couple of hours in the Devil's Lake Basin. But the hour by hour overnight shows that chance of some stronger winds there in the Devil's Lake area in the early overnight hours tonight. Tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. or so, 40s and 50s to start the day, with the best chance of some 40s up toward the Rolla area. But a cool, crisp start to our Saturday morning. Northwest wind, though, picks right back up, 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour or greater for our Saturday afternoon. Lunchtime, 50s and 60s, and 60s and 70s about is all we're going to be able to wring out of the old temperature rag with that northwest wind, but by and large things are quiet for us for Saturday. So first half of the weekend looking good. Just that northwest wind will be on the busy side with those 60s and 70s for those high temperatures, about all we're going to see. So some areas up toward the north may even only make it to those middle 60s for high temperatures on our Saturday. Our beautiful photo of the day comes from Laura S. That big question mark, rain? The pupper wants to know, and yes, Laura, today we finally were able to see that rain. And another chance of rain joins us on Sunday, mainly in the PM hours on Sunday. Could be a few stronger storms out there on Sunday evening. And then for the next week, 70s. Stick around for early next week as well. Another chance of some spotty storms on Tuesday. We'll be right back after the break.